Congratulations. First, your full name and then age and sang school.
Ano po, yung name ko, Nistan Yudrich Ditan, and I am studying currently in National University of Cebu.
So galing ka pa ng Cebu.
Opo.
So lumuwas ka for this.
Yes po.
So kamusta naman yung mga followers mo dun sa Cebu?
Yung mga very thankful ako sa mga followers ko, yung nagsuporta sa akin. Even though na malayo kayo, I feel your love, I feel your appreciation towards me, and I admire that for you. I'm very, very thankful.
So pangarap mo talaga na maging artista kaya ka sumali dito sa Campus QT?
Like,
sige.
Like, I look through up to artists, like how they act, how they engage with people. At gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung pasaya sa mga tao. Gusto ko mag-entertain ng mga tao.
Tapos, any memorable experience mo dito sa campus? Gaano katagal ba kayo nagsama-sama? And then, natanggap ka ng audition, di ba?
Like, actually po, it's just, like, hindi pa siya, ganun katagal. Like, 1 month lang. And currently, we're still bros, we're still friends. Like, let me say, I'll give one unforgettable memory. Siguro sa bench. Like, we were given a competition and pick clothes with a theme na color of your school and your personality. And with that, we were pick clothes for 30 minutes. And pagkatapos nun, it was free, it was sponsored by Bench. And with that, we were so all happy together. Kumain kami, nilibre kami ni KD. Shout out to you, KD. Thank you for libring us. Then, after that, it was so thoughtful ngayon. Pero, I think na ngayon, kasi nanalo na ako, naging captain ako, I think next day, ito naging yung magawang unforgettable memory.
After this ba, halimbawa magkaroon ka ng chance, paano yun kung nasa Cebu ka? Are you going to stay here?
Opo, I'm very willing to maybe sacrifice my education, but I will find a way to learn and to continue
Home
my
study, parang ganyan.
Pwede rin module, kahit basta lang I will keep moving forward. I even yung first option ko talaga is I want to be a dermatologist. But since sobrang haba niya sa schedule parang wala na akong time sa mga events, sa mga showbiz, ganun. Kasi, di ba yung medicine, you only keep studying, ganun. So I sacrificed that. I really want to be a dermatologist. But now, I pick being a BS tourism because yung schedule is very good.
Alam mo bang maraming mga sumikat na mga Cebuano? 'Di ba? Maraming mga Bisaya na
Guys,
Pero talagang meron daw chance at marami rin mga nakakabet sa iyo na sana ikaw yung nanalo because of your smiling face, ganyan. Sa palagay mo na yung advantage mo sa kanila, kumbaga doon sa mga nag-audition particularly, kung bakit nasama ka dito sa Campus QT 20 finalists or 10 finalists, 'di ba? Kasali ka. Ano yung advantage mo?
Yung advantage ko po is that I can speak 3 languages, pero yung third language, yung Tagalog, hindi pa ako kabisado. But I am very willing to learn, and I'll hope that I'll improve throughout my journey.
Iniis ba kayong mga Cebuano dun sa mga nagsasabing bakit ganyan yung Tagalog nyo? May mga ganun, di ba? Na parang dinidiscriminate nila.
Like, hindi talaga mawala yung accent ko pag kasi parang culture shock siya parang nabiglaan lang. Pero even though that, I think it'll be learned. I think it'll be, maging sanay ako if ever matuto ko. So, yeah, I'm hoping...
Nag-aaral ka?
Mag-aaral.
Para mag-straight yung Tagalog mo. Yan, tas Nitan, lagi namin tinatanong to sa mga kasama nyo, sino yung, if given a chance, sino yung gusto mo makatrabaho? Dahil artista na kayo, most probably, sino yung gusto mo makatrabaho na GMA artist, if given a chance?
Gusto ko matrabaho si si Paulo Contis at saka si Tito Boy. Like, si Tito Boy is sobrang inspiring. He gives motivational words. Bisaya rin siya. Maybe mag-aano mga pakiramdam ko, yung feeling ko. At saka he's very, very he's like a person who gives how can I say this? Like he gives wise words to people in order for them to grow.
Pero syempre mas interesado yung mga fans mo. Sino yung gusto mo maka-love team?
Ay, yung kalab.
If given a chance, di ba? Kasi usok-uso yung love team sa show business, di ba?
Kung dami
Kung bibigyan ka ng ano, chance.
Sigurado ako daming
Nagsabi, si Charlie.
Oo, Charlie Fleming.
Bakit siya?
Bakit? Because Bisaya rin siya.
Magkakasundo kayo.
God-fearing, her personalities, kahit yung she's the youngest, she's like a leader, siya yung nag-highlight sa PBB. Yun, and she looks good also po.
Napapanood mo siya. Sabi. And then, pag sa palagay mo siya yung tapalaring big winner.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang ganon. Kasama ni Esmir, di ba? So ano na lang yung message mo dun sa mga upcoming fans mo or yung mga fans mo ngayon na sumusuporta sa'yo?
I'm very thankful if ever my fans na ako. I'm very, very thankful. I appreciate your support. I love you all. And I hope na mapapasaya ko kayo kasi that's my goal. That's my real goal. To make people happy and to engage with them and to entertain them.
Last na lang, message mo dun sa mga kasama mong campus cutie, yung 19 na kasama dito. Anong message mo sa kanila?
Bro, like I'm very thankful. I created cherishable memories with you. Even though I'm Bisaya, hindi pa ako kabisado or sanay magtagalog. Like I felt welcome. I felt like we're a family. We're like brothers. And I'm very, very thankful that I meet you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Congratulations, Ethan.